My secret to shine my pots, pans, refrigerator, stove, bathrooms, and more. To start today's tip, we will use a cup of disinfectant. This being the main item for this tip, in addition to cleaning, also for all the aroma that will leave in all items that use the mixture. Just this amount is enough. Next we will also use 2 limes. The ideal is to cut in half, and as we will use only the liquid, I will use a juicer and completely remove the liquid. I'm sure you have never used this mixture of ingredients, and it works perfectly for a complete cleaning in your home. Remember to always mix as soon as you add a new ingredient. We will also use half a cup of vinegar, being an indispensable item for the tip. If you prefer, you can even increase the amount of ingredients in this tip and store for future use. My friends always ask me the secret of this mixture. I do not spend more money on conventional products. To finish, we will also add half a cup of water. Now when mixing one last time, we will have our tip ready for use. The acidity contained in lime is one of the main items for this tip, acting directly on the removal of fats easily. To facilitate the application, we will put all the liquid in a spray bottle, also facilitating storage. Only this amount is necessary for a thorough cleaning in your kitchen. To avoid waste, we will use a funnel. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Annalyn Dawa from Caloocan. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture is impressive, only on contact with fat can easily remove, and it is only necessary to rub for the complete removal of stains. This product also acts to clean the stove, removing any excess oil easily. This tip works perfectly also for cleaning your bathroom and even for removing dirt from your toilet bowl, removing even yellowish easily. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.